Enhance your English skills with our engaging and informative videos. Carry. He was carrying a box. Whisper. He whispered something in her ear. Knit. My grandmother taught me how to knit. Wink. He gave her a wink. Pull. Stop pulling his hair. Itch. The dog was itching his ears. Kick. The kids love to kick a ball against my wall. Dig. Dig a pit and bury the garbage. Draw. A line made up with a ruler. Fly. There is not enough wind to fly a kite. Dizzy. Climbing so high made me feel dizzy. Repair. The bike was poorly repaired. Tick. She picked a flower for her mother. Homework. She is trying to complete her homework. Throw. Some kids were throwing rocks at the window. Hug. I just want to hug you so much right now. Feed. She was feeding her baby. Swing. He needs to practice his golf swing. Exercise. It is important to exercise every day. Dried. These clothes are finally dry. Watch. He likes to watch TV. Clean. Could you please clean up the living room?